Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a foundation bolt design, and this bolt is very useful and helpful. This body is designed and all is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, and 2D drafting is this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is one by one is learn here and how to this body is designed. And this is a use a all dimension is millimeter, and this thread details is also available here. This length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is M27, and offset is 6 millimeter is outside. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is designed. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this body is very useful and helpful. Okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also this. Okay, today discuss here this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. At first select a part, and some setting is very important, plain white, and some use a going to document property, and this is a image quality, and this is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first select this distance is this center point, and this distance is 286 millimeter, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this circle diameter is radius is 30 millimeter, and this radius is this diameter is 21 millimeter, and okay, this is a fillet is used 22 millimeter, and this thickness is 36 millimeter. Okay, and this use a chamfer 2.5 millimeter 45 degree angle, and use a thread, and this thickness is a 21 millimeter, and this diameter, and this is a same. Okay, at first select a plane, front plane, and a line is a drawing here. Okay, and this line connect to this. Okay, and a line is a connect to this line is this, and also a line is a drawing here this. Okay, and center line is a draw here. Okay, this is a center line is this, and click a circle is okay, and this two line is a tangent, and also this two line is a tangent. Okay, this to this. Okay, this point and this line is a tangent. Okay, this is a perfect coincident. Okay, and mention. Okay, this dimension, this radius is a 30 millimeter, and this length is okay, this radius is 30 millimeter. Assigned dimension is this radius is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and some fillet is used here. Some fillet is used this sketch fillet, and click this is a 22 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and Okay, and some use a trim is this portion is delete here. Okay, and this portion is also this. Okay, delete here. Okay, and assign a this distance is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this is a 286 millimeter. This is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 76 millimeter. Okay, and this total distance is a 286 millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect. 286 millimeter is total distance, and this is 76 millimeter, and all is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this radius is a diameter is okay, this is a perfect, because this radius is 30 millimeter, is diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this distance is perfect and correct, and this is a tangent is okay, and this is a delete here, and select this point, and this line is a okay, this line and this line is a tangent. Okay, 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 all is perfect. Okay, and this is a 286 millimeter, and this is a 36. Okay, all is perfect, and then exit. Okay, and again going to create a plane is this to this. Okay, because drawing a circle, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, okay, this circle is drawing here, and this diameter is a 21. Okay, okay, and exit, and use a swept base, and automatic this profile is select here, and path is a select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Click OK, and this body is a hide. Okay, this is a perfect, and some chamfer is used here, and chamfer is a this 2.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this chamfer is used, and both side 2.5. this, click this, and click this, and click OK. This chamfer is used, and material is applied here, and this is a polished nickel is used. Okay, and this body is design. Okay, and next is a use a thread is a this thread value is given here. 126 millimeter is length, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is 27, offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, and active a thread, and use a this click this, and length is 126 millimeter. Okay, and metric die is perfect, and use a M27 and 3. Okay, M27 and 3 is a okay, this is a perfect, M27 and 3 is correct, and this offset is a 6 millimeter is outside, 6 millimeter is outward. Okay, this is better, and 126 millimeter, this length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3, and okay, all is looking perfect and correct, and okay, this is a cut thread, and use a right-handed thread. Click OK, and apply this thread. Some little time is spent here because this thread value is this thread active, all process is active. Okay, some little time is spent here. Okay, this is a perfect, this thread is created here, and some color is changed here, some dark black. Okay, some little dark black. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this thread is a very nice looking here, and this body is also created here. Okay, okay guys, all process is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body's design. And this is a flange bolt. Okay, this is a flange bolt design is, and how to this body's design easily and clearly. And this is a all 2D drafting is also available here, and today discuss here one by one all 2D drafting, and one by one is all process is learn here, and how to this body's design easily and clearly. Okay, and this is a final product, and this is a flange bolt design, and okay, and this is all size, all 2D drafting size is given here. And okay, let's start here one by one. All design, all measurement is learn here, and this product is design. Okay, and this is a product is design here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. Okay, all is a correct and perfect. Okay guys, let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first part is select here, and some setting is okay, and this is a document property, and going to image quality, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this hexagon, and hexagon is 19.5, and this circle is cut out is a 18.2. Okay, at first drawing and this length is 12. Okay, plane is use a front plane, and drawing a hexagon is this. Okay, and this length is a vertical. Okay, and align dimension, this dimension is a 19.5. okay, this is a perfect. And extrude boss apply here, and this thickness is 12. Okay, and this thickness is 12, and this is a blind. Okay, all is correct, this is a perfect. And select back side, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this. Okay, and this circle is a okay, this is a circle is diameter is 13, and this length is a 48. Okay, this circle diameter is 13, and use active a extrude boss, and this total length is 48. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and some use a this chamfer is used here, and this chamfer is a 1 mm and 45-degree angle, and this fillet is used a 0.8. okay, and this fillet is used 0.8, and this is a use this 0.8 is a okay, 0.8 is perfect. Okay, and this is a use a chamfer is a 1 mm. okay, and 45-degree angle, use a this and click OK. And material is apply here, this is a nickel, and polish brush is perfect. Okay, and okay, next is a this cutout is this. Okay, this circle is drawing. Okay, at first cutout is a okay, this cutout is a this circle is 2 mm, and this length is 1.7. okay, and use a this okay, use a right plane and sketch normal, and use a 3-point arc, and select this point to this point, select OK. Okay, and connect to this point to this. Okay, and both line is equal. Okay, this is a perfect. And this okay, and this diameter is 2 mm is perfect. Okay, and not a fully defined, because this point to press a control button, and this is a vertical. Okay, this is a fully defined, and this use a extrude cut, means revolve cut, then use click a center line and draw a origin, because this center line is a axis of revolution, and this is use a to revolve cut, and use a revolve cut. Okay, this axis is axis of revolution, and automatic this axis is selected, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this line is a delete here. Okay, at first this is a delete here. Okay, this is a perfect. and use a axis. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this cutout is a very nice looking here. Okay, and next is a select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is a diameter is 18.2, because this is this drawing a circle, and inside a circle 18.2, and this thickness cutout is a 1.87, and use a extrude cut. Okay, and this length is a 1.87 is correct, but some increase point is also perfect, but this is a 2.87. okay, 1 millimeter is add here, this is a missing point. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is a 2 millimeter, and click this, click okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a use a this and okay, all is perfect, and then use this 5.2 millimeter and this 14.2 millimeter, and this is a 0.8 millimeter use here, and this. Okay, use a top plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and this point is draw a line is this, and use a this, and again this line is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is a drag here. Okay, and use a this tangent arc and connect to this to this. Okay, and mention, align a dimension. This dimension is a 14.2. okay, this is a 14.2, and this is a 5.2. 14.2 is perfect, and this dimension is 5.2 is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this is a 40. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, not 40, this is a delete here, because this distance is a 0.8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and again draw a circle. Circle is this, connect to center point. Okay, draw a circle, connect to center, and this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a fully defined, all is a correct, and use a use a revolve boss, and the connect, select this. Okay, this is a, at first select this, and okay, this and this and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, preview is showing here, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is a this 2 millimeter, and 1 by 1 all is select here. Okay, this to this and click this and click OK. Okay, this is looking very nice looking here and perfect. Okay, and all is drawing this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, and then use a thread. Thread is this length is 38 millimeter and this offset is 2 millimeter, but some added here increase, and 1.5 this is a okay. And this 1.25 is pitch. Okay, and click a thread. Thread is this is a 38 millimeter and click this edge. Okay, and this metric die is correct and size is a 1.25 and this is a perfect M12 1.25. okay, correct and perfect. M12 1.25 is better, and this is a okay. Offset is a this 3 millimeter and direction is upward, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and also this is a 40 millimeter is better. Okay, and 2 millimeter offset and 40 millimeter is correct, and metric die size is M12 1.25 and this is a correct cut thread and right handed thread. Okay, okay, some little time is spent here because this thread is active process is working. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking very nice here. Okay, and some thread color is change here because this body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is a looking very nice here, and okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a okay. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important parts is design here, and this part is a hand wheel, and this parts is a hand wheel and all parts is assemble here, and this is a hand wheel and hand wheel is design here. Okay, and all today drafting is available here, and this is a front view and this is right view and this is a top view, all view of a hand wheel, and this is isometric view, and this gate wall project. This project is very useful and helpful. Beginner student is also very helpful. And guys, today discuss here a very important point is learn here, and part 6 is hand wheel is design here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. This is a hand wheel is designed here, and today discuss here a very important lecture. Beginner student is also, this is a very important. Okay, all point is learn here one by one, and all dimension and all geometry is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is this, and some important point is discussed here. At first plain white, and this is a going to option, and option is document properties, and use image quality. Image quality is very high because this is a all geometry line is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and some use this is this point is used here, and this is this radius is 14 millimeter, and this length is full length is a 64 millimeter. This angle is 60 degree angle. Okay, this is a perfect, and at first plane is a top plane is better and perfect. Okay, and select a center line because this is a supported line is a perfect and correct, and this line is used, and press a control button, and this point is a midpoint. Okay, and again select a line. This line is a this connect to this, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 64 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this 64 millimeter, and then use a click a line is a this use a this to this point to this. Okay, and this use a and again select a 3-point arc, and first point and second point, and this is a arc is a connect to this. Okay, and this at first some relation is a setting here. Click this line and press a control button, and this line is a relation is a symmetry. Okay, and also this line and this line is a select here and use a equal. This relation is very important, and some dimension is a mention here. This is a 14 millimeter, and this angle is a 60 degree angle. Okay, and this point and this press a control button, and this line use a coincident. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is looking better. And some use a next use a pattern is circular pattern, and circular pattern is this, and click this. Okay, and select this and this. All line is a selector, and equal 360 degree angle, equal spacing, and pattern is 6 because all is connected easily and clearly. You can see here preview is showing here, and 6 pattern is better and perfect, and equal spacing and 360 degree angle, and all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all point is perfect, and exit, and again select this line is right plane, and a sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a circle is this, and connect this point is a this, and this is a diameter is a this diameter is 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 8 millimeter is diameter, and exit. Okay, and use a swept boss base. Click here, and this is isometric view, and automatic this profile is selected, and path is one by one is all selected, and one by one is all path is selected, and this use a click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a this isometric view. Okay, and next is a drawing this middle line. Use this diameter is 18 millimeter, and this thickness is 10 millimeter is mid plane. Okay, and click OK. Use a top plane, sketch normal, drawing a circle. Okay, drawing a circle is this, and this dimension is a 18 millimeter is perfect, and use a thickness, extrude boss base, and this thickness is a mid plane, and use a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter and 18 diameter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And next is a again select a right plane, sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a circle. Circle is drawing a this circle, and this diameter is a 6 millimeter, and thickness is 25 millimeter. This is a very important. This diameter is circle is drawing here, and diameter is 6 millimeter, and this thickness is okay 6 millimeter is diameter, and isometric view, and use a extrude boss, and extrude boss is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect, and also use a circular pattern, and pattern is at first select this point is select here this, and feature and face select here this, and pattern is a 6 pattern. Okay, this is the angle is 360 degree angle, and the pattern is 6 and equal spacing, and okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Some time is spent here because all is count here. Okay, this is a perfect, and last is drawing here this cutout is a 6 millimeter is thickness, length is 6 millimeter, and width is width is also 6 millimeter. This face sketch normal, and drawing a center line. Center line is a this, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 6 millimeter, and also 6 millimeter. Okay, okay, and some cutout is extrude cut. Extrude cut is this is used here through all, and click OK. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct, and all dimension is used here easily and clearly. Okay, and some use a appearance. Appearance is a this is a painted is a candy apple red. Okay, this is a looking very nice looking here. Isometric view, and click OK. Okay, and perfect drawing here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a isometric view and this is a drive end plate, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this project is a hydraulic pump project, and today discuss here this part is designed here, and all parts is one by one is drawing, and last is this body is assemble here. At first drawing this body, 2D drafting is also available here. This is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this body is drawing here isometric view. Okay, and all dimension and all geometry is designed here, and how to this body is designed. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and this is a all back side and front side is this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, all view is present here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct drawing here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed, and how to this body is designed, and this body is a design and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is very important, and this setting is a plain white, and going to this option, and this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is drawing a help of all 2D drafting is available here. Okay, at first drawing a rectangle, a center rectangle. This is a 120 millimeter and this is a 19 millimeter. Okay, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is use a front plane is better, and select okay. This is a center rectangle is at first drawing here. Okay, and define dimension. This is a length is this width is a 90 millimeter, and this length is a 120 millimeter. Okay, this is perfect and correct. Okay, and some fillet is used here. This fillet is used here. Radius is 9 millimeter. Okay, this fillet is 9 millimeter, and select okay, this delete here, and select all 4 corner. Okay, and click OK. Drawing a circle is this all 4 corner is circle is drawing here. This diameter is a 9 millimeter. Okay, select this all circle is drawing here. This diameter is 9 millimeter, and all 4 corner is drawing here. Okay, this circle is defined. Dimension is a 9 millimeter diameter, and select all 4 corner, all 4 circle, and going to select equal. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and okay, and this body is this thickness is a 12.5 millimeter is this. Okay, and select a extrude boss base is apply here, and this is a 12.5 millimeter is perfect. okay, and correct. Okay, okay, this is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and select this face sketch, drawing a okay a center line, and this is a perfect and correct. And draw a circle, and circle is a draw a circle. Okay, and this distance is a 15. Okay, this is a correct. This a big circle is drawing here. This distance is a this point to this distance is 15.5, and big circle is diameter is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 15.5, and this diameter is a 80 millimeter. Okay, okay, and next is a okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, and this is a thickness is a 7.2. Okay, and use a extrude boss base, and this is a this thickness is a 7.2. Okay, okay, and this face sketch normal, drawing a circle, and circle is drawing here at this point. Okay, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter. This diameter is 20 millimeter, and this cutout is a through all, and this dimension is a mention here a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a through all. Select here because all is a cut here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and also select a this use a okay, and this use also 30 cutout is better, and also select this face sketch normal, and select a circle, and circle is drawing here cutout is a this diameter is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and also use extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this use a 12.5 millimeter. Okay, not through all but 12.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a back side, and some sketch a geometry line. Okay, select this face sketch normal. At first draw a center line, because drawing a okay, at first drawing a center line. Okay, okay, and at first select a center point arc, and draw this drawing a okay some drag here. This point, press a control button, and this point is select and horizontal line. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Drawing this design. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a distance is a 51 millimeter, and this is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a 50 millimeter. Is this define this 50 millimeter? Okay, and draw a circle. Okay, this draw a circle, and this circle is a draw a circle, and diameter is this 10 millimeter. Okay, this, and some important dimension is this this point to this line is a 29 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 29.5 millimeter. Okay, this dimension is very important. Okay, this is a 29 millimeter, and this is 29.5 millimeter is cut out here. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, and next is a this point. Press a control button and select this point. This is a vertical line. Okay, and drawing at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is select this point, drag this is a perfect this. Okay, select here, and this point press a control button, press a control button and select this center and use this merge point. Okay, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, this is use this okay, and this is delete here, and dimension is a this dimension is a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here. Select a line is this line is a this line is this select this this is a this connect to this point to some drag here. Okay, and this point to this. Okay, this point to this. Okay, and this is a this point distance is a this point is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 42 millimeter is this very important, and this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and also use this okay, and some fillet is used here this to this okay, and this fillet is used here some sketch fillet is 5 millimeter is this and this fillet is this 5 millimeter, and also use a 1.5 millimeter is this and select this, and okay, this and this is very important. Okay, and okay, and this use a mirror, and mirror is a okay, all is perfect drawing here, and mirror is this select this and this point. Okay, and this use this point, this line and this line and this line, and select this circle. Okay, all is perfect and use this. Okay, click okay, but this is a extra line trim entities use here, and this is a portion is delete here. Click okay, okay, and both circle is drawing here, but both circle is select here, and this use a construction geometry. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct okay, and also select a mirror entities and select this select here this okay, also select this okay, all is select here, and use this line and click okay. Okay, not extra line is drawing here, all is check here. Okay, all is perfect and correct okay, and okay, and use a extrude boss base, and select this and select this, and use a thickness is only 3 millimeter. Okay, because this thickness is only 3 millimeter is used here. Okay, and okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and also use a fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a perfect, and select a fillet is use 1 millimeter, but 1.5 is better, and also select this 1 by 1, so select this and select this. Okay, 1.5 is better and perfect okay, okay, and select this face sketch normal. Okay, and select this face sketch normal. Okay, and circle is all this center point is select here, and this and all 4 circle is drawing here. Okay, and this diameter is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and select this circle and press a control button, and all 4 circle is selected one by one, and click a equal. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is this okay, extrude cut is only 0.5 millimeter. Okay, 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 this is a perfect cutting here. And next is a okay, okay, some important point. Okay, okay, and select this sketch. This face is selected and normal, and use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here this state tab. State tab is very important, and this use a standard and bottoming tapered hole, and size is M10, and blind, and this use a 17. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect, and position, and select here this select here this. Okay, okay, this and this to this. Okay, and some define a dimension. This distance to this is a 58 okay millimeter. This distance is 58 millimeter, and this distance to this is a 29 millimeter is perfect, and this to this is a 59 millimeter. Okay, 59 millimeter, and also this to this is a okay. Okay, this distance is perfect and correct, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a horizontal, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a vertical. Okay, and this both is a vertical line. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct drawing here, and this is a okay, and this is a very nice, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. Select here, and going to option, document properties, image quality. Okay, no detailing, and this is a cosmetic thread is a check here, and click OK, and this cosmetic thread is apply here, and this is a use a okay, this is a perfect looking here, and this use a cosmetic thread is you can see here on this body. Okay, and perfect drawing here, and next is a okay, some important point discuss here. Okay, all is perfect. some use a right plane and a sketch normal, and use some important point. This is a okay, and drawing a center line, drawing a center rectangle. This point draw a center rectangle, and this is a hole cutout, and this is a 2 millimeter, and this point to this select this okay, this distance is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, and this is a revolve cut, and at first center line is a drawing here. This center line is a draw here, and also use a this, and this use a cutout is revolve cut, and okay, select this axis of revolution is select here, and this is a cutout is a this, and this cutout is better, and normal body, and select this. Okay, okay, and again select this two hole cut, first and second is this. Okay, and next is this, and again select a chamfer is use here 0.5 millimeter, 0.5 millimeter, and okay, this is a 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and select this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and next point is this. Okay, and select this face, normal, not a sketch, and draw a whole wizard, and whole wizard is this. Or some important point, this. Okay, and a simple hole is created here. Going to a simple hole is created here, this, and okay, and at first drawing this ISO standard, this is a trail size, size is okay, okay, some important point. This okay, this is this size is 4. Okay, and this use a blind, and going to this 3 millimeter, and this is a perfect, and some important point. Okay, okay, and position sketch, drawing this and drawing this, okay, and define dimension is this is a 45 millimeter, okay, 45 millimeter, and also select this dimension is a 45 millimeter, okay, okay, this, okay, both is a perfect and correct, and click OK, okay, and also not this, and select a cosmetic thread, detailing, and okay, all is perfect, okay, okay, all is perfect and correct drawing here, and all geometry line is and all mention here, all geometry line is drawing here, and all geometry dimension is used here easily and clearly, okay, and going to this appearance, okay, this is a use appearance, and use a metal, and metal is brush, and brush is this, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and all point is discussed here one by one, and this point is very useful and helpful drawing this body, and okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, okay guys, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, this is a hydraulic pump project, and this part is a drawing here, this is a end plate design, and this plate is a end plate, and this is a dry plate, okay, this is a dry plate and this is a end plate, and this lecture is a drawing a end plate design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and also this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all three view is you can see here on the screen, and all geometry line and all dimension is clearly learn here, and all dimension in millimeter, okay, and how to this body is this is a right letter, and how to all process is learn here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, okay, okay, this body is drawing here, and how to this body is drawing in a Solidworks software, and this use okay, this is a very nice looking here, and material is apply here also brush, okay, and this is a very nice looking here, okay, 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 this is a perfect and correct drawing this body, okay, and this is a very nice looking here, okay, 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 and guys, this body is drawing, let's start here, this body is design, okay, at first select a part, and part is select here, and some settings very important, plain white, and going to this option, and option is going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct, okay, okay, and at first select a plane is a front plane is better, is drawing this body, okay, at first drawing this sketch is drawing here, Okay, this is a very nice looking here. All dimension is a perfect drawing here. Okay, at first select this is a 29.5 this distance, and this is a 42 is this distance, and 16.68, and this two circle is drawing here. This is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this is a circle is a radius is 50 millimeter. Okay, select a front plane, drawing this body. At first this construction line is drawing here. Okay, at first use a center point arc, and at first center point arc, click this origin, draw a curve. Okay, this is a curve is a drawing here. Okay, and to end point is a select here, press a control button, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 50. Okay, radius is 50. Drag us. Okay, this is a drawing at first drawing a circle, and this circle is a diameter is a 10 point. Okay, this drawing a circle is diameter is 10.2 millimeter. This is a 10.2 millimeter. 10.2 millimeter. Okay, this and this point 2, this is a drawing a 29 millimeter, 29.5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 29.5 millimeter. Again select a mirror, and this circle is select here, this plane. Okay, and distance between this two circle distance is a 58 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a drag here. Okay, this and next is a drawing here. Okay, and drawing this select a line. Okay, at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is a drawing here this and draw this and select this and this point, and press a control button and select this point is a merge. Okay, and this diameter, this define a dimension is a 11 millimeter, because this is radius is 11 millimeter is perfect, and 16 millimeter is also used here, but this is a radius is 11 millimeter. And some important points, this line is a drag here, this and this 2 point is a relation is a horizontal. Okay, and this is a very very important relation, and a line is select here, draw some line is a drag here or horizontal, and some incline, and this is a and connect to this. Okay, this is a very very important and this relation is a this distance between is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a 42 millimeter is this use here, and 29.5 millimeter is also, and distance between a two circle center is a 58 millimeter is perfect, and this big circle is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this also use here this okay, and okay, and some important point, this this is a okay, and a fillet is used here. A fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and use this, and also a 5 millimeter is fillet is used here, this. Okay, okay, and both fillet is very important. Okay, okay, this is very nice looking here, and all. Okay, this fillet is used here. This is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter is this radius is 5 millimeter is this fillet is used here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and select a mirror. Mirror is a select this, and also one by one is all is select here. Okay, and select a mirror about this line, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. But this is a line is some extra line, this is a trim, and select this. Okay, and okay, but all point is connect here, and also use a mirror about this. Okay, not again, mirror about this is a select this. Okay, about this line is horizontal line, and all is a perfect. Okay, all is connect here, all is this is a connect and perfect use here. Okay, 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 all geometry line is looking perfect and correct, and going to this extrude boss base, and this thickness is a this is a 12 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this 12 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and again drawing a construct. This is a construction line is a this line is very important. Drawing a sum. Okay, draw a circle. Circle is a this above a origin, and draw a big circle, and this diameter is a 41.7 millimeter is perfect, and this point to this is a 16.68 millimeter. Okay, okay, this a big circle drawing this a big circle is drawing here. This distance between origin point to this center point is a 16.68. This diameter is a 41.7 millimeter. Okay, this is body is a mirror, and select about this about this. Okay, and okay, and connect to a center point. This is this point to this, and again this point to this. Okay. All extra person is delete here. Power trim is used here. Select this. Okay, and all is okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss base. This thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. This is a 2.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and okay, and again select this face, sketch normal. Okay, this face, sketch normal. Draw a center line. Connect to this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, circle is a drawing here. This and this is a 10 millimeter diameter. Okay, and line is a connect here, connect to this point. This to this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here. This diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, diameter is 10 millimeter, and this thickness, this distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some use trim entities, and this is a select a trim closest, and this is a both is a trimmed. Okay, and all point is perfect, and this use a extrude. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also sketch and use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 2.5 is perfect. Okay, and okay, but this is a this face sketch normal, or drawing a center line is this. Okay, this is this. Again select a mirror is a this. Cut out is a select here. Okay, this is a construction line. This is use a mirror is select this. Okay, this cutout is a okay, but some delete here. Okay, and this is a, and this use a edit and normal, and draw a center line is this. Okay, and select a mirror is all select here one by one. Okay, and select about this. Okay, and click OK, and this cutout is a perfect and correct. And next is of this face sketch normal, drawing a circle. Circle is this, and one by one is all center point. Draw a circle is big circle is drawing here, and this dimension is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 16 millimeter is cut out, and this use a 0.5 millimeter is cut out. Thickness is 0.5, and all four select press a control button, and all four is a select here, and relation is a equal. Okay, and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 0.5 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this use a fillet, and fillet is a select a 1 millimeter, and all one by one is a select here. Okay, and this is a select here, and this and also this and this face and this face, and also select this and also select this. Okay, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And next is this face sketch normal, drawing a sum, write a letter, and center line is a drawing here. A center line is this drawing here, and again center line is a drawing here. This to this this line is a this. Okay, big line. Okay, and this line select a text and write a letter. Letter is a this AHM 425 40. Okay, AHM 4025, and this use a middle, and middle is a perfect, and okay, again select this line and text, write a letter. Letter is a CAD CAE tutorial. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK, and OK, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this is a 2 millimeter is better, and this thickness is 2 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, this okay, this some color is used here. This color is a black color. Okay, because this you can say here a dark. And last is a drawing this face normal. Use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here this hole, and drill size, and a standard is ISO, and size is a 4 millimeter. Diameter is 4. This is a diameter is a 4 millimeter, and this is a blind use here, and this thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, and select a position, and position is a this and this. Okay, and some dimension is used here. This point to this is a 45 millimeter. Okay, and again select this point to this is a 45 millimeter is this. OK, and click OK. OK, and OK. OK, all, and use a color, and color is going to appearance metal, and going to brush and select OK. This is a perfect and correct. OK, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and all point is learned here easily and clearly. And OK guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. OK guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a hydraulic pump project, and how to this project is ready. And at first drawing one by one is all parts is drawing here. This is a hydraulic body, this is a hydraulic pump body, and all dimension in millimeter, and how to this body is designed, and all process is learned here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a hydraulic pump body, and this body is a design here, and all parts is one by one is design here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, and this is the isometric view, and 2D drafting is also available here, and all geometry all dimension is you can see here on the screen easily learn here. Okay, and this body is drawing here this and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also a professional student is very important lecture. And how to this body is designed today discuss here, all process is learned here, and how to this body is designed. Okay, all side is looking perfect, and this is a write a letter, and how to this process is also learned here. And this is a okay, this is a thread is you can see here on the screen, and this is a cutting here this body. Okay, this body is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a drawing here easily, and all process is learned here one by one. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. At first going to some setting is very important. At first going to this part, and part is a drawing here, and some setting is very important. At first this is a plain white, and going to option is document properties, and this is a image quality. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, and all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane, because this body is a front plane is drawing easy and comfortable. Okay, at first drawing this inner side drafting, and this is a radius is 15.23 millimeter, and this is a two circle is drawing here. First is a 37 and second is 30. This diameter is perfect. Okay, at first select a plane, a front plane. This two line is a drawing here because this is very helpful. Okay, and two circle is a drawing here. First is a circle is drawing this. Okay, and this radius is a 37. Okay, and this 2 point distance between this 15.2319 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here. Again select a circle is this. Okay, not better, a circle is a drawing here this and this diameter is a 30 millimeter. Okay, this is a 30 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use a mirror is this, and select a mirror about this plane. Okay, this is a perfect. And some cut line is a extra, but use a trim entities, and some extra portion is a delete here. This is a extra portion, and also this to this this line is a cutout. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a drawing here. This is a perfect and correct, and all distance and all geometry, all dimension is perfect. Okay, okay, and next is a use here this center. Okay, next point is a drawing here, a drawing this inner side. Okay, and next use this upper side a line, and this use a center point arc. This radius is 15 millimeter. Okay, two circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is a 10.2. okay, and distance between this two circle 58 millimeter, and this is a distance between this line 29.5 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And this distance is a 42 millimeter, and this radius of curve is a 11 millimeter, and this is a two fillet is used here. This is 5 millimeter, and this is 1.5 millimeter is this. Okay, at first select a center point arc and drawing this. Okay, and drawing this. Okay, not better. This is perfect. Center point arc is a drawing here. Drawing this. Okay, okay, and this 2 point is select a press a control button, and 2 point is a this is a horizontal. Okay, and diameter is a 50 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. And two circle is drawing here. Select this circle, and again select two circle is this. Okay, and select this point to this is equal, and 2 point press a control, select press a control button, and 2 point is a horizontal. Okay, and this diameter is a define. This dimension is 10.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 10.2 millimeter is this, and this drawing this 29.5 millimeter is this. Okay, and distance between this point to this is a 58 millimeter is this. Okay, and again select this point to distance is a 29 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And drawing this line is a drag here. Okay, this point is a drag here. Okay, okay, this line is a delete here. Define a dimension. Dimension is a this 10.2. Okay, 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 all is perfect and correct. And this is a better. Okay, next is use here a 3 point arc is select here, and drawing this 3 point arc, drawing this select here. Okay, and this point, and press a control button, select this point is a okay, merge point, okay, and this define a dimension is 11 millimeter, okay, and okay, this and this point is a drag here, this and 2 point, and this point is a horizontal, okay, okay, and next is use here this select this line, drag here this sum, okay, this is a not use here, and this is a delete here, and this is a sum line is inclined, and okay, this is a perfect, okay, okay, line is a okay, this is a perfect, okay, and this is a some line is okay, and 2 fillet is used here, this fillet is used, first is a 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter is select this, okay, and second is a 1.5 millimeter, select this, select this, okay, okay, and 1.5 is this, and 5 millimeter is this, okay, and this distance is a this is a 42 millimeter is this, okay, okay, all is perfect and correct, okay, and all is perfect, okay, and some line is a mirror, and mirror about this point, this line, and select this, one by one is all line is selected, and this is a and this to this, and mirror about this and select this, okay, and okay, okay, but this is a concentric is symmetric, but this relation is a this is a delete here, okay, all is perfect, and some this line is extra is use a trim entities and select this line, okay, okay, and also use a mirror entities and select this, okay, and select a mirror entity and select this, okay, and one by one is select here this, and this too, okay, all is select here, and this, okay, all is perfect, all is select here, and mirror about this line to this, okay, all is connect here, and click OK, okay, this not use a some line is extra, okay, all is perfect, drawing a perfect and correct, okay, and okay, this is a very nice, and some use a okay, and this use a thickness is a 5.5, okay, this is a very nice looking here, okay, and 54 millimeter is perfect and correct, okay, 54 millimeter is perfect, and this use a thickness, okay, use a extrude boss, and this is use a very important, this is use a mid plane, and this 54 millimeter is perfect, okay, and mid plane is a 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay and okay. Okay, and next is this is a cutout is a drawing here. Okay, and select this face, sketch, normal, and draw a circle. This is a line is a drawing here. Okay, this line is a drawing here, and this. Okay, and this circle is a drawing here. Draw this, and this circle is a radius is a 47.7, and center point is a 15.04. Okay, and this define this diameter 47.70. Okay, and this point distance is a 15.04 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a mirror is used here, this and about this line. Click OK, and connect a line to this point to this, and also this point to this. Okay, and some extra line is also delete here, and this line and this line. Okay, and this to this line is a delete here, and this all is extra is a delete here is perfect, and click OK. This is a 47.70 and 15.40 is perfect drawing here. This is a 47.70 and 15.04 millimeter is perfect drawing here, and this is a offset is a 3 millimeter is reverse direction, and offset is used here. This is a offset, and direction is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and direction is reverse. This is a inside is a perfect and correct and okay, and this offset is a use here, and this is a cutout is a only 2 millimeter is not mentioned here, but this is a 2 millimeter is cut out, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is only a 2 millimeter because this is a use a rubber belt. 2 millimeter is perfect, and click OK, and this use a washer and rubber washer is used here, and this is very very nice looking here. Okay, and also use a front plane because this use a mirror, and select a this and cutout is this, and click OK. This back side is also correct drawing here, and both side is a use a rubber washer, and this is a perfect. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and next is just select this face, a normal, drawing a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here. This tapered hole, this straight tap is used here, and this iso and bottoming tapered hole is used here, and size is a okay, and this size is a okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, and perfect. Okay, some use a point is this okay. Okay, and use a simple hole is perfect drawing here. A simple hole is a okay, this is a standard is ISO and dowel hole, and this is a drill size. Okay, and this is a only diameter is a 4 mm. Okay, this is a 4 mm is perfect. Okay, and this is a 47 point. Okay, perfect drawing here, and all is perfect. Okay, and click a position and going to this and going to this. Okay, and this dimension is used here. This dimension is this is a 45 mm. Okay, and this is a 45 mm is perfect, and also use here. Okay, okay, some press a control button and Z is edit here, and 45, and again select this point to this is a okay, and this point to this is a 45 mm is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK. This is a drag. Okay, and next is select a front plane, and this about mirror, and select this hole is a mirror is this, and click OK. Both side is this, and select this face, this face normal. Hole wizard is used here, and the state tab is this, and OK, and this is a perfect drawing here. This okay, and some point is okay, and this and this is a very use here. Use this ISO and a state pipe. Okay, this is a state pipe tapered hole. Okay, and hole specification is 1/2. 1/2 is a perfect. 1/2 is perfect, and all is perfect and correct. This is a use a state tap, and a standard is ISO, and these are state pipe tapered hole, and hole specification is a G1/2, and blind, and all is perfect and correct. And select a position. Position is this, and okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct. And some use a front plane mirror, and use a this. Okay, select a tapered hole is this. Okay, this is a select a right plane, okay, and mirror, select this and click OK. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. And this is a not use this is a thread is not showing here, and going to option and document properties and detailing, and this is a click here, shaded cosmetic thread, and then cosmetic thread is a perfect looking here. Okay, this is a cosmetic thread is a looking here is perfect and correct, is both side is a perfect. Okay, and all point is a perfect and correct drawing here. Okay, and some point is a this is a write a letter. Okay, some point is a discuss here. This is a very nice, this point is very important. And at first select a top plane and use a plane, and this is 60 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And this plane sketch normal, and select a center line is a drawing this two line is a set to center line is a drawing here. First is a this, and second is a also this to this, and this line use a some write a let this some write a letter made in Germany. Okay, and some use a middle. Okay, and okay, again select this and write a letter. This use a CAD CAE tutorial. Okay, and this use a middle. Okay, and okay. Okay, both is a write a letter, and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a use a this is a offset from surface. Okay, and this is a select this surface. Okay, and this is a use a 2 millimeter. Okay, this is a 0.4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all and direction is reverse, offset is perfect, all is correct and perfect. And this letter is a this plane is hide because all looking perfect and correct. And the material is apply here, and going to this appearance and select a metal is a this nickel, and going to this. Okay, and all is perfect drawing here easily and clearly, and all is a drawing perfect and correct. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.